cowboy gun and tango truck. We're gonna see. I love this gun, dude. I love revolvers. It's a beautiful revolver. You know, tango truck. Let's see. 22. 22 can do damage as much as a 45. Even desert eagle. Watch me do it. Watch me blow up the tires. What the hell? You see? Don't misfire. This is gonna fire again. The bed bullet will fire. You see? That's the problem with this bed bullets. One day I was playing with this shit, so I shot my car. Keep shooting, keep shooting, keep shooting. And you can hear these guns. They hell. Yeah.
Oh, you got beer belly?
Yeah, these people, man, they say anything. Yeah, they never made a YouTube video in their life. Making YouTube videos are hardest thing, man.
Yeah.
Hard,
You
man.
need to set the cameras.
Yeah, I gotta set the camera, I
Wind
got my
blowing,
bullets.
camera breaking.
You lose 2 day work. Setting up this shit, you see?
Driving here, don't sleep all night.
Man, making YouTube videos are crazy, dude.